Breaking news. Starting May 19, the U.S. Embassy will strictly enforce a new rule: no visa interview will be conducted without all required original documents. If you arrive unprepared, you'll be turned away and will have to reschedule your appointment. This could mean waiting several months for another available slot, as appointments are highly limited. To avoid unnecessary delays, it's crucial that you bring all the necessary documents. The most important ones include a valid passport that's good for at least 60 days beyond your planned travel date. Additionally, you'll need original civil documents such as birth, marriage, death certificates, and CINAMAR, certificate of no marriage or proof of any marriage termination. For applicants 16 years and older, an NBI clearance is required. If you've lived or worked in another country for over a year, you'll need to submit a foreign police certificate from that country. On top of those, you'll also need to bring your DS-260 confirmation page, your interview appointment letter, and the Form I-864 affidavit of support along with financial and tax documents from your petitioner or joint sponsor. If your case is family-based, the petitioner's original birth certificate is also required. Don't forget to complete your medical exam at St. Luke's Extension Clinic before your interview. You can find details and schedule on their website. If your name appears differently in public records or if you've used nicknames or aliases, make sure to bring an NBI with AKA clearance as well. Missing any of these documents could result in the cancellation of your interview, and that doesn't just affect you, it also slows down the process for other applicants. So, being fully prepared is essential. In addition to this new document rule, the U.S. Embassy in India recently took a bold step to tackle fraud in the visa application process. Approximately 2,000 visa appointments were cancelled after an extensive investigation revealed a widespread fraud network. This involved agents who were using appointment bots to secure interview slots unfairly and submitting fake documents to get visas approved. The investigation uncovered that over 30 agents were exploiting the embassy's scheduling system, using multiple IP addresses to manipulate the system. These agents were linked to a network of visa consultants, document vendors, and even passport delivery services. They were all found to be facilitating fraudulent visa applications for a fee. As a result, the embassy took immediate action, all the fraudulent appointments were cancelled, and the accounts linked to the fraudsters were suspended. This crackdown didn't stop there. The Delhi police have now registered cases against several of these visa and passport agents involved in the scam. The fraudulent activities and subsequent actions highlight the growing efforts to eliminate corruption and fraud in the visa process and the embassy's commitment to maintaining a fair and secure system. These actions are part of a broader effort to tighten immigration control, which has been particularly evident since the Trump administration began pushing for stronger border security and more stringent visa policies. The embassy's zero-tolerance approach to fraud is a direct reflection of this commitment to protect the integrity of the U.S. immigration process. Unfortunately, this has led to longer wait times for legitimate applicants. In fact, many people are now facing wait times of over 400 days just for B1/B2 visas. That's why it's more important than ever to stick to official channels, avoid unauthorized agents promising to fast-track your appointment, and make sure all your documents are prepared correctly. If you rely on intermediaries or shortcuts, you run the risk of your application being delayed or even rejected. These agents often charge exorbitant fees, and in the end, they can put your chance of securing a visa in jeopardy. You could even face legal consequences for using fraudulent services. Given this increased scrutiny, it's essential to understand that preparation is key. It's not just about getting your visa faster, it's about ensuring that your application goes through smoothly and without any problems. Being fully prepared means you won't face unnecessary delays, and it also protects your chance at a successful visa application. Now, more than ever, following official guidelines, staying informed, and relying on trusted resources is critical to a successful application process. Remember, the U.S. Embassy's strict new policies are in place to ensure fairness and integrity in the visa process. So be sure to prepare every document thoroughly, avoid fraudulent shortcuts, and follow the steps laid out by the embassy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share your thoughts in the comments section, and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Also, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. See you in the next video.